Hi, this is a video of me repairing a small ding in my board. It's not a how-to, it's more of a cautionary tale. I got a big boy fiberglass repair kit. There's a link in the description. It was about £9 or $11 US. The local surf shop will do a repair like this for £15. So I used some wet and dry paper. I have a range from about 180 grit up to about 1500 that I use towards the final finish. So I'm going to add a fiberglass patch. So I use the paper to roughen the area so that the new resin will adhere to the surface. Checking for loose bits. I've taken some material off around the hole so it doesn't end up with too much of a lump around the patch. I check the edges of sound with a knife blade, removing any bits that are loose, but this looks good. I cut a small patch that covers the hole and goes beyond the edge of the cracks. I then cut a larger piece which goes a good 20mm beyond the smaller patch. I mix the resin. I think this is about a 1:50 with the agent. Give or take a little. Apply the first patch and use the resin to stick it down. The second patch with more resin, making sure there's no bubbles between the patches. I leave this to cure overnight. Then the next day, sand off any lumps. I'm taking it down to, but not into the patch. So, I should have stopped here. I should have just added a couple of clear coats and then been done. Not worried about the colour, just stopped here. But I didn't. I had the smart idea of using a Sharpie to colour the area. Brown is pretty much brown, right? What could go wrong? So I know that Sharpies will dissolve a bit in the resin, but I expected that would kind of make the resin a kind of a clear and even colour, but I was wrong. So I took the top off again, trying to blend the new resin in. The glass fibre had some pockets and these took more resin, which had more colour, and it looks fairly ugly. And I should have stopped here. But I didn't. I made it worse. I doubled down and I bought some mica powder to try and get the colour a bit better matched. I did not see anywhere obvious it was metallic, which is an error. So I got the colour a little closer on the second go. I was hampered a little by the weather, which when it wasn't raining it was cold. If you let uncured resin drop below 4 degrees, it seems to never want to set properly, and then you have to sand it back again. Anyway, from a distance it's not too bad. A bit of wax hid some of the horror. A little closer and the poor colour match and metallic areas stick out like a sore thumb. Though actually the metallic effect looks quite magical up close. Thanks for watching. Good luck if you do a repair yourself. I hope it goes better than mine.